Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel, and today I want to talk to you about some simple, easy, yet effective interior maintenance tips for your any car really. Doesn't have to be a 2019 or 2020 Chevy Silverado. It can be anything, especially if it has vinyl or leather interior. This is going to save you a lot of heartache down the road and could possibly save you thousands of dollars. So let's get into it. First off, I want to start this video by saying thank you, Street Speed 717, for giving me this idea of the GoPro hat. This thing, I really like it. I just took an old hat of mine and put my GoPro mount that comes in the box on there. And what I had to do was take a little bit of Gorilla Glue because the adhesive on the bottom of the mount wasn't quite strong enough to hold the GoPro upside down. And now with that Gorilla Glue on there, I can shake it and all, and it's not coming off. So this GoPro hat comes in handy when it comes to filming first person perspective, and that's what I'll be using a lot today. So thank you once again, Street Speed 717, for the idea of the GoPro hat. So if you have leather interior like I do in my 2019 Silverado RST Z71 that came with the leather package and the convenience package too, which also gives you this nice center console. But if your vehicle does have leather, or if it's a work truck model and it has vinyl, there's some simple steps to take to ensure that your leather does not dry out, become brittle and hard as plastic, and start cracking. Now this is especially helpful for your back seats. You say, well, back seats usually don't get set in a lot. No, they don't, but back here, these headrests are right up against the window. Now my windows are tinted, but still, the sun will eventually dry this leather out on the back of this headrest, and it will get extremely dry and brittle and possibly start cracking. So you want to take some care, take some good quality vinyl and leather and rubber conditioner that usually comes in a spray bottle. I will show you what I use here in just a second. And just take, and every once in a while, maybe once a month, just take and condition your seats a little bit. You don't have to go all crazy, but just take and condition them, and that will keep them soft and pliable and not brittle and cracking. So let me show you what I use. Now this is Meguiar's leather and vinyl cleaner, and it will not only clean your vinyl and leather, but it will keep the moisture in it also to keep it from getting dry and brittle. Alright, so the best thing to do is just take, and you want to squirt some on a rag. You don't want to spray it directly on your seats because then it'll probably spot it and stain it. But you just want to do that. And then you just want to take and start rubbing it down. And that is going to, and you can see there's already some dirt coming off. Now it doesn't have to be McGuire's, Mother's, Armor All. They make good products also. My dad and I have just always used McGuire's. He used to detail cars years ago, and that's what he always used, and so that's what we still use today. Now I'm going to put a little bit more on the rag, and this is just a microfiber cloth. And I'm also going to take, let's see, aha, see, that works even better. They lay down, and you want to make sure you want to make sure that you get the backs also, because like I said, that's what's facing the window. That's what's going to dry out. So you want to make sure you get all that. And then the same, now especially with this one here that's in the middle, and you can see I have my window open, so that's going to dry it out even more if you do like I do and ride with the windows down a lot. So that's all you have to do. Just make sure that you are conditioning, cleaning your leather. Like I said, you don't have to do it often. If you just do it once a month, just enough to keep that moisture in the seats, to keep and keep it from drying out. And the last thing you want is your leather to become brittle. And start cracking. Now, give you another little hint, another little tip. And all this advice is free. I'm gonna take, and you see you trim around your doors and all. You want to make sure that you also coat that, because that will also dry out on you. And this is just rubber, but still you want to make sure you get all of that too. And it's not going to hurt it on your plastic, whatever, it'll just clean it up. But yeah, there we go. So you've got some dirt coming off on that thing. Yeah, just make sure you get the sides too, and the front of your seats. Like I said, as long as you take care of your leather and you don't allow it to get too dry. I mean, you can bring leather back if you go a year or two and you don't clean your seats, then you can bring it back depending on how sun-baked it is. But it is possible to bring it back to life, but you don't want it to get to that stage in life to where you have to restore it to bring it back. Like I said, don't forget, you got soft surfaces in your truck. Wherever you have soft surfaces, that's where you want this cleaner to be. It's not only going to condition it and keep it nice and soft, but hey, it's going to make it shiny, make it look good too. So it's not going to hurt anything. Even, like I said, even if it's hard plastic, it's just going to shine it up, make it match the rest of your interior. And I also want to note, McGuire's is not sponsoring this video. I am not getting anything for advertising McGuire's. It's just what I prefer to use. Now obviously your driver's seat is going to be your dirtiest because, well, that's the one you're in all the time. Probably your front passenger seat too if you carry friends or your significant other around. That will probably be quite dirty too, but you can see all the dirt coming off. Now I have to admit, it's been a while since this was cleaned, so don't be like me, don't put it off. I'm going to flip this around, get a clean surface. Get this bottom again real good. Get your console. Get all your little plastic bits. So there you go, guys. There's a nice, simple, easy, affordable way to take care of the interior of your truck or car or whatever you drive that has leather or vinyl interior. And if it doesn't, at the very least, clean and condition your rubber seals around your doors. And you can even take that stuff and clean some of your plastic bits up underneath your hood to keep them looking nice and shiny. So, comment down below, what do you use to clean your leather and vinyl and rubber? Do you use McGuire's? Do you use something else? Mother's or Armor All or some other product? Maybe something from the chemical guys? Comment down below, tell me what you use. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below also. And hey, don't forget, our giveaway for our Craftsman Mechanics tool set is still live. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will be drawing a name at random to win that mechanics tool set. So you want to be around for that. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks, auto news, car reviews, whatever you want. That's what I'm wanting to do on this channel. So be sure and hit that subscribe button. Click that bell icon for notifications whenever I drop a video. And be sure and give a like to this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And I hope you have a great day today. I'll see you later.